Hello, my name is Ivan Low. It has been close to 20 years since I started getting involved in the maintenance and service industry. Today, I'm a field service engineer with Raute here in Singapore, serving customers around the region. I want to share with you why maintenance and servicing of your machinery lines are essential and vital for your production and business needs. Everyone has probably encountered situations where you cannot finish a task, reach your full potential, or even enjoy your holiday because of illness or something holding you back. Similar to humans, machines require systematic maintenance and services to reach their full potential. In my presentation, I would like to share with you my views with regards to production line maintenance. From my years of experience in maintaining and servicing various equipments across the world, I have noticed that there are too many different schools of thoughts. In terms of industrial maintenance strategies, many Southeast Asian factories have to invest in backup lines due to a lack of maintenance strategy. If these allocated investments made for contingency planning were to be invested in maintenance programs, it will result in better long-term productivity and profitability of the business operation. Most often, these backup lines are underutilized and will still require maintenance themselves. In addition, these backup lines may age with time and will eventually be obsolete. So, the question is how to keep downtime to a minimum and maximize the productivity of your production line. Well, let me tell you more. I have 3 points to share. Number 1, maintenance makes money. As straightforward as it sounds, having the right systematic approach with maintenance will eventually make you more money. Sounds simple, isn't it? But why are the lines and machines still breaking down during the busiest production time in Southeast Asian factories? Why are the productivity kept at a constant high in some of the best organizations in the world? What are they doing for maintenance? How can we learn from them? And the answer is because their maintenance operation is well defined and planned. Having an effective and operational factory or mill includes several stages. In this pyramid, here we can see that planned maintenance is where it all begins, the foundation for successful operation of a plywood mill. Here, we have stage 1, planned maintenance, where it encompasses the following: work management, how to keep control of all maintenance activities; preventive maintenance, maintain and fix equipment before failure; planning and scheduling, made according to the recommendations of the manufacturer of the line; work execution, clearly planned work instructions for maintenance team in a factory; computerized maintenance management system and metrics. A maintenance system is a must to control operations. And last but not least, work safety, safe working practices documented, trained, and implemented. Now, you know the concept. To help improve productivity through maintenance, all you need to do is to get the job done by investing in the right service partner. It starts with consultation, education, and training in the proper procedures to maintain and service your production equipment, ensuring that everyday maintenance is correctly done to maximize lifespan and productivity. Raute's maintenance development programs cover all aspects of mill maintenance and equipment service at your mill. The training Raute provides also help increase the expertise and knowledge of our client's maintenance team, equipping operators with essential skills to solve everyday's problem. As the saying goes, if you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. If you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. When it comes to a time when a major overhaul has to be done, Raute site service programs ensure that our technical staff will always be there to help, be it remotely or on-site. Through digitization and modern technology, distance is no longer a factor in keeping us connected with our customers from around the world. Every help needed is just at the tip of our customers' fingertips. Let's get to my second point, operational performance of the production lines. Even the most expensive and high-tech lines won't produce value if the supportive systems around them are not well thought and well planned. Operational performance is like a chain reaction. It is only as good as the weakest link. One neglected step can influence the entire operation and causing it to fail. But how do we identify these weak links? By using data and the correct tools to process and understand them. Being able to collect, understand, process, and make use of data effectively are the critical influences of operational performance. The data must be reliable, collected automatically, available all the time, and they must support you in operational decision making. With that, you can optimize each process and get the most out of your resources. Productivity would also be higher by eliminating downtimes based on analytics. There are way too many information around us every day. A lot of transactions, distractions that take our focus away from the main business. So, focus on the right ones. In this day and age, data rules everything. Having available maintenance programs and tools for measuring maintenance and operational efficiency is the modern way of managing your facility. Raute digital tools and services are available for all Raute customers through my Raute portal. Raute also takes a proactive and forward-looking approach when it comes to service and maintenance with digital tools. For example, mill sites show consistent downtime due to jams, which requires investigation before the problem escalates. My last point to share, don't hesitate to get in touch with the specialists when needed. There are always some problems that require a specialist to solve. Make sure you find help from the right places when needed. Imagine needing urgent help, but they will come across the globe. And when help finally arrives, language and the lack of local practice becomes a barrier. That will be frustrating for anybody. Raute is committed to giving local service support to our customers globally. With over 30 years of experience in Southeast Asia and more than 11 decades of serving our customers across the globe, Raute fully adopts the concept of thinking globally, acting locally. Raute strives to understand the local context and the differences between each customer, with local service centers planted worldwide. We are always close to our customers whenever needed. No language barriers too. With our teams of hand-picked service engineers that are proficient in multiple languages, customers can always feel comfortable working with us. Here are some examples of our satisfied customers with our service support. It has always been our honor to bring excellence through services and maintenance to every one of our customers, and we are never going to stop. Raute experts also plan and recommend the spare parts required for stock when troubleshooting is needed. To sum things up, there are 3 key takeaways I hope you have gathered from my presentation that will have you maximizing profits and potential from your production lines. And they are: maintenance makes you money. By catching up to the modern methods of production line maintenance, productivity and profits will always be at their highest potential. Professional consultations, training, and education from your technology partner makes everyday maintenance as easy as ABCs, thus ensuring smooth production always. Number 2, operational performance of the production lines. With the right tools for production data collection, you can pinpoint the area of focus to maximize productivity and minimize downtime. And when it comes to maintenance, distance does not matter anymore with the use of digital tools. Number 3. Don't hesitate to get in touch with a specialist when needed. Finding the right technology partner nearby with local know-how and key to minimize hiccups from happening to your production. Even when there is staff turnover, the knowledge is not lost. It has been my pleasure to share this information with you, and I look forward to meeting you in the future. My colleagues and I will be available for any of your questions for the rest of the day. Please do not hesitate to drop me a chat message or start a video call with our chat tool. Please stay tuned for more informative content that we have prepared for you during our virtual event. Thank you.